Litika. Sri Bhishma Uvacha.
Shri Bhishma Uvacha. Shri Bhishma Uvacha.
Okay. Vibhusha, this class you may find it a little fast, okay? But never mind, because these shlokas we had learnt these yesterday, so you might find it little fast, but never mind, okay? Just listen. From tomorrow onwards, we will go in the learning pace.
Yeah.
Litika. Jagat Prabhum Deva Deva Manantam Purushottamam.
Jagat Prabhum Deva Deva Manantam Purushottamam. Jagat Prabhum Deva Deva Manantam Purushottamam.
स्तुवन्नाम सहस्रेण पुरुषस्तततोत्थितः.
स्तुवन्नाम सहस्रेण पुरुषस्त सततोत्थितः. स्तुवन्नाम
सततोत्थितः. Thi should be stretched.
सततोत्थितः.
Next. Yeah.
Okay.
Repeat.
स्तुवन्नाम सहस्रेण पुरुषस्तततोत्थितः. सततोत्थितः.
Correct. Okay, next. Jyoti ma'am. Tamev charchayan nityam bhaktya purushamavyayam.
तमेव चार्चयन् नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययम् तमेव चार्चयन् नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययम्
Okay. Dhyayan stuvan namasyamscha yajamanastamev cha.
ध्यायन् स्तुवन्नमस्यंश्च यजमानस्तमेव च ध्यायन् स्तुवन्नमस्यंश्च यजमानस्तमेव च.
Ma'am, that yamscha can be clearer. Yamsh, ya, im, sha, and then cha.
Okay, ma'am. Namasyamscha.
Yeah, yamscha.
Yamscha.
Yeah, okay. Next. Santosh. Anadinidhanam Vishnum Sarvalokamaheeshwaram.
अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरम्
Maheshwaram. Don't bring ga, maha. Maheshwaram.
अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरम्.
Okay, good. Lokadhyaksham stuvannnityam sarvadukkhatigo bhave. Sorry. Sarvadukkhatigo bhavet.
लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखातिगो भवेत् लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखातिगो भवेत्
Lokadhyaksham, that sham can be clearer. Okay. Just say, repeat, Lokadhyaksham.
Lokadhyaksham.
Yeah, okay. Next. We'll go to Deepak. Okay, maybe he's not ready. Gayatri. Brahmanyam sar. Okay, Deepak. Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam lokanam kirtivardhanam.
ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनम् ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनम्.
Okay. Lokanatham mahadbhutam sarvabhutabhavodbhavam.
लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतवबोधभयं भवोद्भवम्
Can please slow down? Slow down.
लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम्
Okay. Gayatri. Yesha me sarvadharmanam. Gayatri. Okay, we'll go to Kavita ma'am. Yesha me sarvadharmanam.
ईशमे सर्वधर्माणाम् ईशमे सर्वधर्माणाम्
धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः.
धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः
येष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः.
एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः
यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षम्
यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं
स्तवैरर्चेन्नरः सदा.
स्तवैरर्चे नरः सदा स्तवैरर्चे नरः सदा
Rarchen in should be heard. Rarchen naras sada.
स्तवैरर्चेन् नरः सदा स्तवैरर्चेन् नरः सदा
Okay. Nitika, repeat this. Yesha me sarvadharmanam dharmodhikatamo mataha.
एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः
यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरः सदा.
यद्भक्त्या
यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं.
यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरस्तथा
Okay.
यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरस्तथा.
Okay. Yeah, Gayatri.
Can you hear me?
Your voice is feeble. Somewhat I can hear you. Okay. You'll repeat we'll say the next one. Gayatri.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Paramam yo mahatejaf.
Paramam yogamah-tejah.
I'll repeat it. Paramam yo.
Paramam yo.
Again.
Paramam yo.
Mahatejaf.
Mahat-tejah. Mahat-tejah.
Paramam yo.
Paramam yo. Paramam yo.
Mahat tapaha.
Mahat-tapaha. Mahat-tapaha.
Say again. Paramam yo mahatejaf.
Paramam yo mahat-tejas.
Tejaf. Jaha followed by pa will become if. Mahatejaf.
Mahat-tejah.
Paramam yo mahat tapaha.
Paramam yo mahattapaha. Paramam yo mahattapaha.
Okay. Paramam yo.
Paramam yo.
Again.
Paramam yo.
Mahad brahma.
Mahat Brahma.
Paramam yaf parayanam.
Paramam yah parayanam. Parayanam.
Okay. We'll go to Vibhusha.
Yes, ma'am.
You were able to find the shlokam, the one which we chanted, Paramam?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it is number 16.
16. Okay, fine. And 16?
You were able to find?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
She's not
Okay.
able to see. Can I know how do she view it?
Which one, ma'am?
The slogan which you're talking, right? This one. Do we have the notes or how is it?
No, you have to download. I read Sanskrit text, so I usually get it from Sanskrit documents. But
Okay.
English version, I don't know, ma'am. You have to browse. Or you can ask, there is one more person called Shiva in this group. Maybe you
Okay.
can send a one-on-one because he is also in a first grader. He also reads English, so he
Okay.
might help. But she doesn't have this shlokam, is it? This one?
No. She don't have it.
Okay. What is the text in her book then? Or what does it start? Shuklam Bharadam is there, I think. She chanted that. After that?
Okay. In which book you're referring to, Bhuneshri ma'am? That is what I'm just asking.
I downloaded it from Sanskrit documents. Mine
No,
in
no,
Sanskrit
we
was.
don't have it. I mean, right now she's in the class and she is, she's blank. She's just listening to your class only. She don't have any notes.
You should download it, ma'am, from the Google. Whichever book you want her to refer, you should get it.
Sure.
Okay, because I don't have any books to suggest for English. Sanskrit,
Okay.
yeah, you can go to Sanskrit documents. So let her listen in today's class. You help her with the download, and
Yeah.
only then it will, she'll be able to follow in the class. She needs text as a supporting material. For now, she can repeat. I can just repeat it, okay, Vibhusha. Paramam yo. We'll repeat the same shlokam. Paramam yo.
Paramam yo.
Again. Repeat twice, okay? You have to say one after the other twice. Paramam yo.
Paramam yo.
Again.
Paramam yo.
Mahat tejaf.
Mahat tejaf. Mahat tejaf.
Good. Paramam yo.
Paramam yo. Paramam yo.
Mahat tapaha.
Mahatapaha. Mahatapaha.
Paramam yo.
Paramam yo. Paramam yo.
Mahad brahma.
Mahad Brahma. Mahad Brahma.
Paramam yaf.
Paramam Yaf.
Yaf, okay? Yeah, if, yaf.
Yes. Paramam Yaf.
Parayanam.
Parayanam. Parayanam.
Okay, good. Now you listen. Deepak. Pavitranam pavitram yo.
Pavitnana.
पवित्रं यो पवित्राणां पवित्रं यो
Mangalanam cha mangalam.
मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम्
पवित्राणां पवित्रं यो
पवित्राणां पवित्रं यो
मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम्
मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम्
दैवतं देवतानां च
दैवतं दैवतानां च
दैवतं देवतानां च
दैवतं देवतानां च दैवतं दैवतानां च
भूतानां यो
भूतानां यो
व्ययः पिता
व्ययः पिता
दैवतं देवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता
दैवतं देवतानां च दैवतं देवतानां च
देवतानां
Yeah, in my text it is dhai actually. Daivatam devatanam cha bhutanam yo vyayah pita. Daivatam
Okay, we'll stop here. Gayatri, can you chant from the beginning, first 10?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I practice only 5, ma'am.
Yeah, you can chant 5, no problem.
Okay. Shri Vishnu Sahasranam Stotram Shuklambaradaram Vishnum Sasivarnan Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Yasya Dvitata Vasratya Parishatya Parasatham Vignam Nignanti Satatam Ma'am, what is it?
Vishwaksenam.
Vishwaksenam
I'll repeat this shlokam for you. I'll repeat it. Yasyad dvirada vaktradyaf, okay? Vaktradyaf parishadhyaf parashatam. Repeat.
Yasya dvirada vaktradya parishadya
Parishadhyaf, not shadhyaf, shadhyaf.
parishadya
Parashatam.
parashatham.
Again, repeat this line.
Yasya dvirada vaktradya parishadya parasadam parashatham.
Again, say that word 3 times.
Yasya dvirada vaktradya parishadya parasatham.
No, just say parashatam 3 times. Again.
Parashatham.
Now try.
Yasya dvirada vaktradya parishadya parasatham.
Okay, good. Next. Vignam
nikanti satatam. Nignanti satatam. Vishwaksenam tamarasaye.
I'll help you there. Tamashraye. Again. Vishwaksenam from there.
Vishwaksenam tamashraye.
Okay. Let's say the whole shlokam. Yasya
यस्यद्विरदवक्त्राद्या पारिषद्या परसथं विघ्नं निगन्ति निगन्ति सततं विश्वक्सेनं तमाश्रये.
one small correction. Nighnanti. Say that, not nighananti. Nighnanti.
निघ्नन्ति.
Okay. Continue.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये.
Mudireye. Yeah.
व्यासाय विष्णु
Vyasam vasishtha.
नप्त्रातं शक्ति.
I'll repeat. Vyasam vasishtha naptaram.
व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं
Vyasam vasishtha naptaram. Shaktev pautramakalmasham.
शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं
Parasharatmajam vande.
पराचरात्मजं वन्दे शुकदाधं तपोनिधिं. व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः. अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सतैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे. And that's it, I practice.
Okay. Practice the remaining and come. Okay. Kavita ma'am, you want to, since you have listened, you want to try?
From the beginning, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, but I think I don't have from the text that I'm seeing I'm missing one. So after I'm seeing Vyasam Vasishthanataram.
That's fine. You can skip that. Narayanam, you can skip that.
I'll maybe get that version from you, and maybe if you can send me the link later. Okay, I'll try this one.
Yeah.
Starting from Shri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram.
Correct.
Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnan Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Yasya Virada Vaktradhya Parishadhya Parashatam.
Okay. Yasya Dvirada Vaktradhyaha followed by pa will become if. Yasya Dvirada Vaktradhyah Parishadhyah Parashatam.
Yasya Dvirada Vaktradhyah Parishadhyah Parashatam Vignam Nignanti Satatam Vishwaksenam Tamashraye Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shakte Pramakalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatam Taponidhim Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahma Nidaye Vasisthaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave. After that I continue, ma'am.
Okay, we'll stop here. Sorry, ma'am.
Any corrections, ma'am?
No. There are few things you learn as we move along. You'll learn it, ma'am. No problem. Yeah.
Can I leave? I have class, ma'am.
We are ending the class anyway. Kayena vacha manasendriyaiर्va buddhyatmana va prakrite svabhavat karomi yadyat sakalam parasmai narayana yeti samarpayami. See you all tomorrow. Bye.